Hey, fashion enthusiasts, ever felt that spark of a brilliant design idea but struggled to visualize it? I've got just the thing for you. Imagine this: your design transformed into a stunning sketch that brings your vision to life. I can create a fashion illustration showcasing the silhouette, fabric texture, print layout, and even styling options. Whether it's a chic crop top or an elegant blouse, I can help you see it vividly. But wait, there's more. Planning to create or commission your design? I've got you covered. How about I suggest matching fabric swatches to nail that look? Or, I can help you write a tailor-ready design brief to ensure your creation is crafted to perfection. Need the perfect accessories to complete your ensemble? I can help you find those too. From statement necklaces to chic handbags, I've got the eye for detail that'll elevate your design from great to jaw-dropping. So, whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, let's turn that fashion dream into reality. Want that visual? Let's get started right away. Thanks for watching, and remember, every great design starts with a single idea. Let's bring yours to life. Catch you in the next video.